Hey there, it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads. Today I have an unboxing. The Painted Petals July 2024 Paper Pumpkin Kit. Love this box. Have a great granite Stampin' Spot. Here's our artwork for the stamp set, Painted Petals. So we have the flower, hello, let's celebrate you. I'm so lucky to have you in my life. You're simply the best. Friends like you make life beautiful. And this lovely little line art. Here's the instruction sheet with the suggested layouts. And of course, I'll be doing my own. And the add-on die set, which I have. And our colors are Calypso Coral, Daffodil Delight, Granny Apple Green, Gray Granite, Old Olive, Melon Mambo, Mossy Meadow, Peach Pie, and Pretty in Pink. Lovely, lovely combination. First up, we have some little iridescent sequins in 2 sizes. And our dimensionals, and it looks like some sticky adhesive. And here's the envelopes. Oh, and they are different. So we have 3 of each. Oh, look at this paper here. Great for chopping up. These are gorgeous envelopes. And our first card base. Oh, look at these, so pretty. Another bit we can chop off and double our kit. Just beautiful. And some labels. There's 3 of each, and they are different sizes. And label shapes. I'm thinking that those would go for certain sentiments. Yes. So that's nice, no fussy cutting needed. There's quite a few of those. And the last card base. Oh, and look at these die cut flowers. These are fantastic. So, so pretty. I know some people say they're tired of all the flowers, but I love these flowers, so I'm definitely not tired of flowers this month. Look at those. Tune into my channel in the next week or so for some alternates. Thanks for watching. Bye.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and see you next time.